Are you feeling constantly tired, moody, or experiencing muscle pain? You might be missing out on a crucial vitamin that could change your life. And let's talk about vitamin D, that crucial nutrient we get from the sun. It's not just about strong bones. Vitamin D influences everything from your mood to your immune system. But here's the thing, most people don't even realize they're not getting enough. You see, vitamin D binds to proteins in our blood. When it's bound, it's like a package waiting to be delivered. But it's the free, unbound vitamin D that our bodies can actually use. So even if your blood test shows normal vitamin D levels, you might still be deficient in the free, active form. And remember, it's not just about taking vitamin D. Supporting nutrients like magnesium, zinc, vitamin K2, and boron play a crucial role in its absorption and utilization. Stay tuned as we explore the 7 sneaky signs that your body might be screaming for more vitamin D. Let's talk about high blood pressure, a silent threat affecting millions. You might be surprised to learn that vitamin D plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. It does this by helping our bodies balance calcium levels, which are essential for proper blood vessel function. When you're low on vitamin D, your body can't regulate calcium effectively, leading to constricted blood vessels and increased blood pressure. Think of your blood vessels like highways and calcium like the traffic controllers. Vitamin D ensures smooth traffic flow, keeping your blood pressure in check. But when vitamin D is low, it's like those traffic controllers are off duty, leading to congestion and higher pressure within your vessels. Studies have shown a strong link between vitamin D deficiency and an increased risk of hypertension. In fact, some research suggests that supplementing with vitamin D can actually help lower blood pressure in people who are deficient. By ensuring your body has enough vitamin D to manage calcium effectively, you're giving your cardiovascular system the support it needs to function optimally. So if you're struggling with high blood pressure, it's worth talking to your doctor about checking your vitamin D level. Addressing a potential deficiency could be a game changer in managing your blood pressure naturally. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we unravel the connection between vitamin D and your mood. Ever notice how your mood seems to dip during the darker winter months? Well, there's a scientific reason for that. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, is deeply intertwined with our mood and mental well-being. You see, vitamin D isn't just a vitamin. It acts like a hormone in the body, influencing various functions, including our brain chemistry. One of the key ways vitamin D impacts our mood is through its role in serotonin production. Serotonin, often dubbed the feel-good hormone, plays a crucial role in regulating mood, sleep, and even appetite. When your vitamin D levels are low, serotonin production can take a hit, potentially leading to feelings of sadness, low energy, and even depression. Think of vitamin D as a spark plug for your happy hormones. When you're getting enough, your brain can produce serotonin efficiently, keeping your mood balanced and upbeat. But when vitamin D is lacking, it's like your serotonin engine is buttering, making it harder to feel your best. Numerous studies have linked vitamin D deficiency to an increased risk of mood disorders, including depression and seasonal affective disorder, SAD. So if you've been feeling a little blue, especially during the winter month, don't brush it off as just the winter blues. It could be your body signaling a need for more vitamin D. Inflammation. It's a word we hear a lot, but what exactly is it? And how does vitamin D fit into the picture? Inflammation is your body's natural defense mechanism, a way to protect itself from injury or infection. It's like your body's internal fire alarm, signaling that something is wrong and needs attention. Now, in small doses, inflammation is a good thing. It helps your body heal and fight off invaders. But when inflammation becomes chronic, it's like having that fire alarm blaring non-stop. This chronic, low-grade inflammation can wreak havoc on your body, increasing your risk of serious health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. Vitamin D possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties, helping to calm down those overactive immune responses and reduce overall inflammation in the body. Studies have shown a strong correlation between vitamin D deficiency and increased levels of inflammatory markers in the body. So, by ensuring you're getting enough vitamin D, you're not just supporting your immune system, you're equipping your body with the tools it needs to manage inflammation effectively and protect your long-term health. Let's face it, we're exposed to countless germs and viruses daily. Our immune systems are constantly working overtime to protect us from these invaders. But did you know that vitamin D plays a critical role in keeping our immune system strong and ready to fight? Think of vitamin D as a general rallying its troops. It helps activate and regulate various immune cells, including T cells and macrophages, which are essential for identifying and destroying harmful pathogens. When your vitamin D levels are optimal, your immune system is like a well-trained army, ready to defend your body against any attack. However, when vitamin D is lacking, it's like your immune system is caught off guard, making you more susceptible to infections. Studies have shown a clear link between vitamin D deficiency and an increased risk of respiratory infections, including colds, the flu, and even more serious illnesses like pneumonia. In fact, some research suggests that supplementing with vitamin D during cold and flu season may actually reduce the risk of getting sick and even shorten the duration of illness if you do catch a bug. So if you're feeling run down or want to give your immune system a boost, especially especially during cold and flu season. Ensuring adequate vitamin D levels is crucial. We all know how important a good night's sleep is for our physical and mental health. But did you know that vitamin D plays a crucial role in regulating our sleep-wake cycle and ensuring restful slumber? Vitamin D receptors are found throughout the body, including in the brain regions involved in sleep regulation. These receptors interact with melatonin, the hormone that helps control our circadian rhythm and signals our bodies that it's time to sleep. When your vitamin D levels are optimal, it supports the production and regulation of melatonin, promoting healthy sleep patterns and ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed. Think of vitamin D as a gentle lullaby for your brain, helping it wind down and prepare for a good night's rest. However, when vitamin D is deficient, it can disrupt the delicate balance of sleep hormones, potentially leading to sleep disturbances, insomnia, and poor sleep quality. Studies have shown a link between vitamin D deficiency and an increased risk of sleep disorders, including sleep apnea and restless leg syndrome. In fact, some research suggests that supplementing with vitamin D can actually improve sleep quality, particularly in those who are deficient. So if you're struggling with sleep issues, it's worth considering whether a vitamin D deficiency could be a contributing factor. Keep watching till the end to discover the best foods rich in vitamin D. And while you are here, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends. We all crave healthy, radiant skin, but did you know that vitamin D plays a vital role in maintaining skin health from the inside out? It's true. Vitamin D isn't just a sunshine vitamin, it's a skincare superhero. Vitamin D receptors are found in skin cells, indicating its importance in skin function and health. It plays a crucial role in regulating skin cell growth and repair, helping to protect against damage and maintain the skin's protective barrier. Think of vitamin D as a shield for your skin, protecting it from environmental stressors like UV radiation and pollution. It helps to reduce inflammation, prevent premature aging, and even combat acne. When your vitamin D levels are optimal, your skin can better defend itself and maintain its youthful glow. However, when vitamin D is deficient, it can manifest in various skin issues. Dryness, eczema, psoriasis, and even delayed wound healing have been linked to low vitamin D levels. Studies have shown a correlation between vitamin D deficiency and an increased risk of skin conditions. So, ensuring adequate vitamin D levels may improve symptoms of certain skin disorders, promoting healing and restoring skin health. Muscle aches, back pain. We've all experienced these discomforts at some point. While there are many potential causes, did you know that vitamin D deficiency could be a contributing factor? Vitamin D plays a crucial role in muscle function and health. It helps our bodies absorb calcium, which is essential for muscle contraction and strength. When vitamin D levels are low, our muscles can become weak, achy, and more prone to pain and injury. Think of vitamin D as a strength trainer for your muscles, ensuring they have the resources they need to function optimally. When vitamin D is deficient, it's like your muscles are working with a handicap, making even everyday activities feel more strenuous. Studies have shown a link between vitamin D deficiency and an increased risk of muscle pain, weakness, and falls, particularly in older adults. In fact, some research suggests that supplementing with vitamin D can improve muscle strength and reduce pain in those who are deficient. So, if you're experiencing muscle aches or back pain, consider whether vitamin D could be the missing link. Unlock your health potential. Prioritizing vitamin D daily. As we've uncovered, vitamin D is much more than just a vitamin. It's a fundamental nutrient that impacts nearly every system in our body, from regulating blood pressure and mood to supporting immunity and promoting restful sleep. Ensuring adequate vitamin D levels is paramount for our overall health and well-being. So, how can you ensure you're getting enough of this sunshine vitamin? Safe sun exposure is ideal, aiming for 10 to 20 minutes of midday sun a few times a week. However, if you live in a colder climate, have darker skin, or have concerns about sun exposure, incorporating a high-quality vitamin D supplement is essential. Ensure your diet is rich in magnesium, zinc, vitamin K2, and boron to optimize vitamin D absorption and utilization. By prioritizing vitamin D and its supporting nutrients, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. If you have any concerns about your vitamin D levels, talk to your doctor to get tested and discuss the best course of action for your individual needs.